What is the warranty on Yokohama tires, and does it cover tire quality issues?
Hello tire enthusiasts, and welcome to today's video. We are going to delve into the world of Yokohama tires, focusing on their warranty policy. One of the most common questions we receive is, what is the warranty on Yokohama tires and does it cover tire quality issues? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. So, let's get rolling.
What is the Yokohama Tire Warranty?
Before we delve into specifics, it's essential to note that Yokohama offers a limited warranty on its products. This warranty essentially serves as a promise that the product will be free from defects in workmanship and material under normal and intended usage. Yokohama's warranty typically lasts for 5 years from the date of manufacture or until the tire's tread wears out, whichever comes first. Now, keep in mind that this duration may vary depending on the specific tire model and other factors.
Does the Yokohama warranty cover tire quality issues?
Let's move on to the heart of the question. Does Yokohama's warranty cover tire quality issues? Well, the answer is yes, to an extent. If a tire is deemed to be defective in workmanship or materials, Yokohama will replace the tire free of charge during the first 30 seconds of the original usable tread, or within 12 months from the date of purchase, whichever comes first. Beyond this, Yokohama will replace tires on a prorated basis, which means you'll pay for the tread you've used before the defect appeared. The prorated amount is calculated based on the percentage of usable tread that has been worn. However, it's essential to understand that the warranty does not cover issues arising from misuse, neglect, improper maintenance, or damage from road hazards. It also does not cover tires that have been repaired in any manner that does not comply with U.S. tire industry recommended standards.
How can I claim the warranty?
To claim the warranty, the tires must be presented to an authorized Yokohama dealer. You will need to provide the original purchase receipt. The authorized dealer will then inspect the tires to confirm that they are indeed defective and not damaged due to reasons not covered by the warranty. So, that's a wrap on the warranty provided on Yokohama tires. It offers some robust coverage for tire quality issues, as long as those issues fall under the conditions specified in the warranty terms. As always, remember to keep your proof of purchase and maintain your tires properly to enjoy the full benefits of the warranty. Stay tuned for our next video where we delve into more tire-related topics. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.